Throughout this video, we'll be explaining the process in which food passes through the digestive system, using sport-related examples. Here's a diagram of all the different parts of the digestive system. We will explain each one shortly. Let us start from the beginning. Food enters the body through the mouth, also known as the buccal cavity. This is where the process of mastication, or chewing, takes place, which is a breakdown of food put into a softer form before it starts its journey through the body. The next part is the esophagus. This lies between the windpipe and the spine. It passes down the neck and joins the upper end of the stomach. When a person swallows, the walls of the esophagus contract to push food down into the stomach. The process is known as peristalsis. The four young men represent a piece of food travelling down the esophagus, with the chomping being the peristalsis. Following the esophagus, the food enters the stomach. Here, enzymes attack the food to break it down and extract the essential nutrients the body needs. The food is also churned to make a less dense substance, making it easier for digestion. The pancreas is the next body part present during the digestion of food. Food does not directly pass through the pancreas. Instead, it is secreted pancreatic juice into the small intestine to help the breakdown of food. On the next clip, I will volunteer demonstrate how the pancreatic juice exits the pancreas. The small intestine is the central part of the lower abdomen area. It absorbs the nutrients that previous digestion of the food has made available through the breakdown leading to this point. After the food passes through the small intestine, it enters the large intestine. The primary role of the large intestine is reabsorption of water from stool. It also absorbs some nutrients not taken up by the small intestine. The person in the next clip represents the large intestine and how the reabsorption takes place. The next process in the digestive system occurs in the liver. It plays a major role in metabolism, which aids the breakdown of food. It has a number of functions in the body, including glycogen storage for when required, and drug detoxification to get harmful chemicals that have been released by the broken down food. The gallbladder releases bile, which aids in the digestion of dietary fat, lipids. The bile is produced by the liver and the gallbladder stores this until needed. The digestive system will be at great risk of infection from pathogens without the appendix help. The appendix, along with other groups of tissue, also known as the lymphoid tissue, helps protect the digestive tract from the huge amount of pathogens which enter. And now into the final stage of the digestive system. When all of the nutrients have been absorbed, the body must get rid of the waste. However, to stop the body from instantly getting rid of this waste, it is stored in the rectum until the appropriate time to release it. When the right time comes, the rectum loosens to allow the waste product to pass through the anus.